lookout point. அவர் தான் என்னை கூப்பிட்டு போறாரு. அவர் தான் என்னை கூப்பிட்டு போறாரு எந்த ரூம்ல போயிட்டு தங்க போறோம்னு சொல்லி. This room cost me about RM200 ringgit. This is a twin bedroom. This room doesn't have any view. The balcony view is just another building. Not so good. Otherwise, all the basic amenities are there. TV. I'm walking to the hotel facilities now. Level 5. 5, probably the swimming pool. The hotel has the in-house tour agent and everything. You can just book here. Not sure about the price. I never take. There is a coffee house here. The coffee house is here, and they serve beer as well. The beer price is way cheaper than outside, so it's still okay. Some chilling area, looks good. Ooh. Early morning. Their main lobby, actually, the day I checked in yesterday. This is their breakfast area. The breakfast area. Hello. Motorbike rental 200 per day. Still cheap. Hotel facilities, swimming pool, pool regulation. Going to the lookout point.